AI agents and agentic AI. These are the buzzwords nowadays. Everybody is talking about AI agents and agentic AI systems. In this video, we will learn idea or overview about AI agents and agentic AI system. So let's get started. So I have created a document about AI agent and agentic AI. First, we will discuss about AI agent. So as the name signifies AI agent, agent means a system or a function that will do or perform a specific task like booking a ticket, booking a flight ticket or search something from the website. So this will requires LLM decision or LLM permission, LLM requirement to do certain tasks. This is called AI agents, which requires permission of LLM models or decision making of LLM models to do or perform a specific task called AI agents. Like AI agents have understanding, have instruction to do a specific task. It can make decision. It can use tools like engines, calculator, APIs, or database. So uh, these are the functions of AI agents. AI agents take decision with the help of LLM models. When we talk about simple AI application, so that simple AI application like chatbot, simple chatbot. So this chatbot is used for question answer, Q&A answer. So this chatbot does not have access to do external task like if you want to search something from the website, if I want to book a ticket, flight ticket. So this AI chatbot has no access of this. So we need to apply some tools, some functions to do this kind of task. So this is called AI agents. This is the functionalities of AI agent. AI agent use external functions or functionalities to do a certain task. It can access external tools or APIs to complete a task. So this is what AI agent is. AI agent takes help of help of external tools or functions, it's simple functions to perform a specific task. Like LLM act as a brain here, and this brain requires some tools to perform a specific task. So this is what AI agent is. And this is a simple example, like if you want to send email, read email, or identify spam emails with AI. So this is the application or use case of AI agents. Booking movie, flight tickets, restaurants. So this is what AI agent is. And this is the simple example. Here is example how we can create AI agent with LangChain. LangChain is a framework in Python. So we can create AI agent simply with LangChain. So these are two agents here. One agent is for web search and one is to calculate mathematical expressions. So we just simply use this LangChain.agents, create agents. Here we can create our agents and our LLM will decide when to call these agents according to the user query. If user asks to calculate something, then it will use this calculation function, and if user asks to uh, find out something from the external source or web search, then it will use this web search tool or web search agent. So this is a agentic, and this is a AI agent functionalities, and this is a simple Python function. We applied at the rate tool here to convert this into a AI agent, and we have mentioned our tools here. These tools will connect to our LLM model. We have used GPT model here with from OpenAI, and there is a simple prompt we need to provide here, and then we can connect our tools or we can say agents to our model, LLM model. There are lots of platforms available nowadays which provide functionalities to build AI agents or automations like OpenAI, AWS, N8N. These are some of the platforms which provide to build automation workflows with AI agents. And I have also made a video where I have shown how to make AI agents with N8N. So these are the platform provide functionalities to make AI agents. We can simply build AI agents. We don't need to write code. We just need to do some tasks and then we can make a complete workflows or AI agents. So let's understand about agentic AI. Agentic AI refers to AI system build one or more AI agents that can work towards complex or multiple tasks. So, agentic AI system uses multiple AI agents to perform a complex or bigger task. In agentic AI system works like a workflow or automation tool, which uses multiple AI agents to perform a complex or bigger task. Or in this agentic AI application, multiple AI agents depend on each other outputs. While a single AI agent usually handles one specific task, agentic AI often involves multiple agents working together like a team of digital employees to complete a bigger objective. In agentic AI, there will be multiple AI agents to work or perform. There can be agent or multiple AI agent to perform a bigger task. For example, here, uh, you tell an agentic AI system, plan my 5-day trip to Goa within a budget of 30,000. Behind the scene, one agent search and book flights, another find hotels, another plan daily activities, and another track to the total budget. They coordinate with each other and give you one final complete travel plan. So this is the complete example of agentic AI system which uses multiple agents like booking agent and searching agent and finding hotels. So these are the complete workflow of agentic AI system. Uses multiple AI agent to perform a specific task. And here is the graph. So there is a better understanding by this graph. So traditional AI has input and output like a normal chatbot, and AI agent has tools, has some goal and tools to perform a specific task. And agentic AI system has like for example traveling a plan. So they have subtask, they have multiple agents, and then self check. So agentic AI system have human in the loop or require human permission to perform or completion of the workflow. There are some agentic AI workflows where we use humans permission or approval to perform a task. So this is about the difference, and there is one more table to understand differences like goal. So traditional AI has answered the query, and AI agent complete a task, or agentic AI has achieved a complex objective. Antimony none, and AI agent has single step antimony, and agentic AI has multi-step ongoing. Tools use We use tools. We don't use tools in traditional AI, but we use tools in AI agents. And in agentic AI, we use multiple tools or many tools. We use memory. We don't use memory in traditional chatbot, and we use memories in AI agents or agentic AI. Example is normal chatbot, and here are the example with AI agent and agentic AI. So this is a workflow diagram and about AI agent works. So first pursue the input. First it will take the input, then decide the plan, reason about the goal and decide the next step. Here we apply LLM and then use the external tools like APIs or functions, Python function, and then observe, then find the feedback or result the responses. So this is the loop of AI agent works. This is how AI agents works. And then key components of an AI agent. Key component is like memory, planning, tools, and reasoning. And so these are the key components of AI agents. We use memory. We use conversation memories. We store history of the conversation to remember the previous responses. And planning and tools are the components of AI agents. There are lots of types of AI agent like simple reflex agents, model based agents, goal based agents. So these are the types of AI agents, and real world example of agentic AI and AI agents. We have seen agentic AI system in some of the coding platforms like Claude or anti-gravity. These fixes our bug, and these do complete planning to write our code automatically. So these are some example of agentic AI systems. And customer support system, these also are some of the examples of these agentic AI systems. So this is the architecture example of AI, agentic AI. Like this is the complete orchestra planner agent, which book flight ticket, hotel agent, and itinerary agent and budget agent. So these works together, and this depends um, on the each other responses. So this is the agentic AI application. So there are lots of benefits of using these AI agents. We can automate the task, we can reduce the manual efforts, and we can we can increase the scalability. We can do complex tasks in minutes with this AI agents and agentic AI workflows. So yeah, this is about the AI agents and agentic AI.